iPhone XR LCD replacement for beginners or professionals. First thing you always do is you open the bottom two screws. Second thing, insert something. As long as you get in there, the rest you can just slide it slowly. If it gets stuck, once you open it a little bit, halfway, you don't want to keep going. Now you want to hold this, and like while I'm pushing this down, now I have space. As you can see, now it's open. Second thing what you can do is, I don't like to remove this, I just like to remove the camera itself. Once those are removed, I still like to unplug the battery so I don't get a shortage. I forgot there's a small screw next to the earpiece speaker, and there's this connection that you can just pull. Small thin thing, it goes in here. When I'm installing on the new one, I'll show you. Now the next thing what I like to do is remove the plastic. Just pick up the whole plastic. Usually this is more cleaner. It doesn't have any glass. So what I do is I just pick it up and stick it on the new LCD. But since this one this one doesn't look that good, so we'll just use the new one. So first and foremost, let's get in there, connect this first. Once that is connected, you take this and this have to get inserted in this metal, so that metal have to go inside of this. It's like, if that's a wallet, this is a pocket. Once it goes there, then you're done. Now we'll look for the screws and put all of it back. So the little metal thing that we picked, it have a place where it goes to screw in there. First, I like to connect this part first, then the battery afterwards, because I still want to make sure this is connected without making any shortages. Come on, let's do this correctly. Once in a while, somehow the screw is just messing with you on purpose, but you have to be patient in order to screw the screw. That's so crazy. So crazy. Okay, now the last step, press the battery connector and put this underneath it. Perfect, it turned on. Now we can make the last two screws. Perfect, it's working. So this is before and after. Thank you, and please subscribe.